Artificial intelligence is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how humans learn, decide, and work while trying to solve a problem. It is a way of making a computer-controlled robot, or a software think intelligently, in the similar manner the intelligent humans think. What are applications of artificial intelligence? Gaming. If you have ever played a video game, you have interacted with artificial intelligence. Regardless of whether you prefer race car games like Need for Speed, strategy games like Clash of Clans, or shooting games like Counter-Strike, you will always find elements controlled by AI. Natural language processing. NLP is the artificial intelligence-based solution that helps computers understand, interpret, and manipulate human language. NLP is at the core of tools we use every day, from translation software, chatbots, spam filters, and search engines, to grammar correction software, voice assistants, and social media monitoring tools. Expert systems. A computer system, emulating the decision-making ability of a human expert, and are systems which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its users. For example, Pneumoconiosis X-ray Diagnosis Expert System, PXDES, is an expert system, which is used to diagnose lung diseases. Dendral, expert system, used for chemical analysis to predict molecular structure. Vision systems. Vision system mimics how humans visualize and identify objects. Vision systems are now commonly used in modern manufacturing settings. The two main use cases are quality control and robotic assembly operations. Often in industrial environments, quality inspections are too difficult, risky or costly for humans to perform, but they still need to be conducted. Speech recognition. Some intelligent systems are capable of hearing and comprehending the language in terms of sentences and their meanings while a human talks to it. It can handle different accents, slang words, noise in the background, change in humans' noise due to cold. Handwriting recognition. The handwriting recognition software reads the text written on paper or on screen. It can recognize the shapes of the letters and convert it into editable text. Intelligent robots. Robots are able to perform the tasks given by a human. They have sensors to detect physical data from the real world, such as light, heat, temperature, movement, sound, bump, and pressure. They have efficient processors, multiple sensors, and huge memory to exhibit intelligence. In addition, they are capable of learning from their mistakes, and they can adapt to the new environment.